Hello, welcome. So you want a crypto. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and basically the market from like a 10,000 foot view, just kind of looking at it as a whole, as a total market cap, and then where it can go, it being cryptocurrency as a market in the future. And we're only going to go out maybe 5 years or so. We're going to look at some predictions. So people have looked at Bitcoin, they've heard about Bitcoin. There's ads for Bitcoin. There's bus ads and TV. It's everywhere. I mean, it's getting harder and harder to find somebody who hasn't at least heard of Bitcoin. And then there's people that want to invest. I also get questions like, why do I use Coinbase instead of more technical software? Because when I was learning, I found that I either had a video that I had to watch a whole bunch of basic stuff over and over to get small tidbits, or I had to watch a video about some in-depth TA that honestly I didn't understand half the stuff they were saying. So I try to keep it simple. I'm not gonna dig in. I'm just showing you like a general to novice intermediate guy can just look and see what's going on. All right, Bitcoin has a market cap of 629 billion. Ethereum is 160 billion. So we'll just kind of take that for right now. But roughly we're, I think, at about $1 trillion for, yeah, right here. Market cap, all of cryptocurrency, about $1 trillion. So here's the total market capitalization of cryptocurrency as a market over, since, I guess, inception. We're looking from July 2013 all the way up, right? So we can see bull runs and growths and this, that, whatever, right? But right now we're pretty much at the top here. So is that it? Like, $1 trillion is a lot of money. Is that our cap? Are we, we're getting Bitcoin's up there with Facebook and stuff like that as far as entities is in volume of capital. So can it grow? Can you buy a Bitcoin and then, am I going to lose all my money, or is it going to make me money? And that's a good question. So this is an older article and I like it. It's 2 years old. Bullish about blockchain. Predicts $2 trillion market by 2030. So by this prediction, we would double our market in 10 years, right? 9 years, if you're looking at 2021. However, they did on this prediction, they don't even break 1 trillion until the year 2028. So we're already 8 years ahead of, or 7 years ahead of production on this one. Bonuses for everybody. So what's a more accurate? It's really hard to say. CoinDesk, cryptocurrencies could grow 5-fold by 2025 into a $3 trillion market under new projections. Okay. So if we go with this 5-fold, right, we're going to 5x. What would that put us at? And before we do that, let's look right here. So by 2030, what do you believe will be the price of Bitcoin? And this is from CoinMarketCap, and it's, a Genesis mining pool of 1,000 people. I don't know who these people are. 50% say it's going to be less than 20 grand, and 50% say it's going to be more than 20 grand. And the more than 20 grand goes up to a lot. Take that as you want. And I believe this has a... No, maybe it's somewhere else. Anyway. Okay, so 5x. If I bought Bitcoin today and the market 5x'd, well, let's see. That would put Bitcoin at about $3 trillion as far as their individual market cap, which would be 3 times the market of all of the Bitcoin or all of the cryptocurrency right now. That seems high, but that's a 5x. And that would give you a Bitcoin price of about $170,000 per Bitcoin. Ethereum, on the other hand, right now we're looking at $160 billion. A 5x on that would be $800 billion, which is just a little bit more than where Bitcoin is now. That seems reasonable. 5 years, 5x in the market, tons of money come in. A lot of stuff is based on Ethereum, so that would give you roughly a $7,000 Ethereum in 5 years. So when people are giving you price predictions and you're watching videos and they're $2,500 Ethereum, $1,500, wherever they're coming up with these prices, it's based on the market cap. It's based on the projection of the utility and the use and the money coming in and what it does. And that is where the value comes from. So if you want to know if you'd make money on those, that's the kind of math you need to understand and try to figure out. And everybody needs to find their own formula. You may think some aspects of a current project are more important than others. And that's why there's not enough for everybody to go around. So do your research. I wish everyone the best of luck. Not financial advice. This was just a quick, let's kind of look back and just see what there is. What's the potential of cryptocurrency in general, the markets. And I hope you find value in this. Cheers. Best of luck.